showing the entire section is flush and flat. So going back to the other light fixture, actually it's pretty straightforward to remove. I've done it for the other light, but basically what I do is this is actually mounted using a screw. You can't see it inside, and then there is a electrical box that holds this using that screw. So to get this to remove this particular light fixture, all I have to do is access that screw down here. So of course you turn off the electricity from the panel. In this particular case, these are controlled by light sensors, photo sensors, so they're off because it's daylight. So but normally you would turn off the obviously you don't want to shock yourself, so you turn off the panels. So in this particular case, these nut bolts, they're hand tightened, so I just have to remove them. There's actually two of these, so I just remove the top like this. And incidentally, the silicone that I was mentioning, it's this, you can see it here, it's sort of turned black maybe with time. These were installed by the builder maybe about 16-17 years ago when the home was built, but this is the silicone. It just serves to seal so that water doesn't get in, but the fixture itself is mounted with that bolt inside. So anyway, once I remove these two bolts over here, you can see them here, they're sort of caps, nut caps. This thing comes off really easily, and basically I have access to this panel down here. So first let me remove the bulb. Remove the bulb, yep, and then now I have access to, there's a bolt inside which you can't see from here. You can sort of see it, but it's inside. So what I do is I put my hand inside and I unbolt. It's sort of hard to see from here, but basically I unbolt it. So let me first put all these down so that I can have my hands free. And these are the tools I'll use. So anyway, I have those down here so my hands are free. And then I go back up and I'm gonna try to access this bolt using my hand. It's sort of hard because it's bolted at an angle. Yep, I can access it. I unbolt it. Basically that's the only thing that holds the fixture. There, I unbolted it from the inside. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my screwdriver to remove the silicone, because the silicone is also holding the fixture in. This bolt, I'll just keep it down here. I'll use this screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to remove that silicone to gradually. So what I do is I just, there, I remove the silicone like this. I just push it in, and all it is just a sticky gooey silicone that you can see it's coming off. Very easy to remove. Yeah, just remove it like this. There you go. And basically that's your light fixture that I'm removing, like this. Now the thing is, you could see where that bolt was holding. It was actually bolting onto this. This is a regular electrical box fixture that you would see even on the inside of the home. And now the only other thing is, this is holding, these wire nuts are actually holding this, so I need to remove these